Oh, just finally time to refurb the axles then. They're down here, which is where I left them many months ago. I'm going to start with the rear axle just because it's simpler. It's a lot simpler to work on. Because obviously the front axle, not only have I got to rebuild the swivels on the end of it, but I've got to convert it to disc brake as well. So, quite a few unknowns there. This will be simpler, so I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to put it on the table. It is fairly heavy, so I should watch out. This box has got quite a few other things that I'm going to need to sort this out. Well, brake discs, they're obviously for the front. But yes, there is. We'll get to that. Let's get this on the table.
You have to cut rock, chicken.
That's fine, yeah. I'm going to leave the diff intact.
No teeth broke.
No, it's fine, this one.
You wouldn't know unless you took it off.
Well, Mark's been driving it.
Oh.
This was from Mark's.
Oh, you
Land
drove
Rover.
it?
Yeah, he drove it since he was. He learned to drive in this Land Rover.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It's been in his family since 1986, I think.
Done up well.
Well, yeah, so far we've, this is Grandad, by the way. You're telling me.
Right?
I'm just saying we're filming.
Oh, are we?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, we're on camera. Hello.
So far we've stripped it down, pulled off all the bit here, and then shot blasted it. And then this is painted in special zinc coating. And then that's as far as it got. So I think I've got all the bits to rebuild it, I just got to go and find them. So I've got, what have we got here?
And you got a manual then?
Yeah.
Well, it shows you all that stripped down, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I've just got to go and find the other bits because I bought them years ago. These are little spaces that go there.
Yeah.
But I don't know, on the early axles, see this bit here? On the early axle this bit comes off and you need to replace it. And that's what these are. But on the later axles it's fixed.
What are you going to do then?
Well, I don't know yet if that one's fixed on or whether it comes off.
I wouldn't say that's fixed. It's not moving.
That is moving.
No.
That's moving.
Yeah, yeah.
There we go. I'm going to try and show the difference between, this is the old worn one, and see the new one is just flat across there. This one's got quite a distinct groove.
You better, could you? It's wasted it.
Yeah.
Tight fit, anyway.
So, we should find the rest of the axle.
I have to put a bolt on there just to hold it in.
Yeah, but we've got to find it first.
How you ain't got a bolt?
We've got to find it. There's a box of all the bits that we took off, but I don't know where. I think it's outside, so we're going to have a look for that. Out there.
What's for us? Sing and dance while you go on.
Yeah,
Hello there, oi oi! It won't be long.
It's the grand pile of Project Kermit. Granddad's gone for a little siesta, and while he's gone, give me time to figure out what to do with these. So these drums look manky, but there's no groove there, so they're actually in pretty good nick. Obviously they're going to need cleaning up. This is obviously the back because it's just got one cylinder. That's a front axle one with 2 cylinders on, but of course I won't need these because of the conversion. That lot I'm going to run through the blasting cabinet at the moment, and then this lot I'm just going to degrease and clean up. Also, just importantly, found all the nuts and bolts and other little bits and bobs. So these are for there. New bearing kits, which have got the oil seals for that. I think I've got everything that's needed. Okay, we're rolling.
Good morning.
We are back again.
Yeah, we're back again.
We now have everything we need, I think, to rebuild the rear axle. So I've cleaned up these, and I've cleaned up these, and obviously painted them, given a quick once over with some black paint.
Now we're in the process of assembling it.
Yes, we
Right.
are. So I'm going to have that on there. And one of those. That's the top of the axle. Yeah, that's the top of the back plate. Should I hold the spanner on it? Or I'll spin it up.
See, I'm using a bench.
Yes, very wise.
Now why'd you take the fingers out?
Oh, how cheap is that? It didn't come with any nuts. So, that's good.
Putting shoes in here and the rim back on?
Probably not, no. I think we'll just go with building up the hubs and putting these back on.
Well, wouldn't it be best to put shoes on?
You can do it either way round.
Yeah. I just thought, could you...
Right, I'll have to pack these with grease. This is the old one. What I'm going to do is this is the old bearing race, or one of them. I'm just going to cut a chunk out of there and then use that to drift that one in. Let's have safety glasses on.
All done. Safety first.
So the reason I've just cut a slice in it is I can now use this as a drift and it won't jam in here.
Hard to get out, isn't it?
Well, not as hard. I think that's it, you know, that's seated.
You won't pull him out. Oh yeah, yeah, very good.
Yeah, you just got to take it steady and work your way around and it goes in pretty square. That's it. Yeah, let's put some grease in there. On here, but I'm going to put it on here.
Yeah, easy to get it.
Yeah.
Plus I better go in level.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Actually, make sure, because getting him off again, it's easier putting it on than getting it off.
So there's that. As much as I can.
Yeah.
Which will probably be too tight. No, not really. Spin it around a bit. See if it'll go any more.
That's alright.
Not too bad, is it?
No, that's alright.
But then I like to back it off just a little bit.
Sit on tight though, that's alright. Imagine a wheel on that, you'd spin it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's there, isn't he?
Plus the fact that all the juicy's got to get in. Yeah, that's alright. Quite happy with that.
Good.
Good job.
Now I need to lock that in place. This is the
Where's
lock.
that locking? Oh,
That one goes there.
and you put another one on.
Yeah, and we'll put the other one of these on.
Yeah. I wonder where he went when you said locking.
Yeah, and then this washer, you knock a tab over, one tab over that way, and one tab over this way, yeah, and it locks everything together.
Yeah.
So Grandad knows a great deal about cars, but
Well, I don't know, not these modern cars. Yeah, good job there, that won't lose.
no, I think they're there. Well, we'll do the other side, shall we? We'll
Yeah.
do the same again on the other side?
I don't know, I haven't finished it.
Yeah, well, that'll mean going finding the shoes.
Finding the shoes.
Yeah, I've got a big load of shoes, but they're all mixed up, so I've got to work out which ones are for this, which will take a while.
Right.
But yeah, I'll put this one together.
What about? Notice now, he never give me a stool to sit on.
Don't make a fuss, you're always saying.
Wasn't making a fuss. Thinking so the poor old chap is standing here, lost some lemon.
So I don't think I've mentioned before that Grandad not only used to fix cars, but used to make them, didn't you?
Yeah. Fresh steel.
So what would that be then, like Rovers and stuff?
That's 1100. Done them with the thousands when they first come out, them little low things. The days at Prestel, you never had ear muffs, you had cotton ball stuck in your ear. I'll take that. Got it?
Yeah. That's it, there we go.
That's easy enough, yeah.
Yes.
My first motor was to sit up and Big Popular.
What year was that then?
Oh, bloody hell.
1950 something?
No.
Really? Well, later?
Yeah. Had a running board.
Bloody hell.
You went up till the windscreen wipers stopped. I come back to London once in a bit of a mist and a bit of a fog, and I said to your gran, "Can you see the grass birds?" "No," she said, "I can see a white line." I was in the middle of the road. That's because of the lights, it throws it back.
Right, yeah. Good job there's no other traffic then, isn't it?
Was well, one of them days, didn't
Yeah.
it? So,
Going to London must have been an adventure in them days.
with motorbike and sidecar it was. With no gear.
So in Grandad's day you had a motorbike and sidecar because you couldn't afford a car,
No. 2 kids in the wife in there. Hold in the little cup, get the walk, because it's tipping down with rain.
I bet Nan hated it, didn't she?
Oh yeah. Dragged it all over the place, really. I think that's alright.
Yeah.
Get down here when I come out of work and done a swap for an NSU quickly.
That's a little moped thing, isn't it? Yeah.
And when I took it home, you know what your gran said? "What's me and the kids going to do? Run along behind it?" No, we're going to keep that. Oh yeah, I got one there.
Hang on, I've got to put this on first.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You there?
There, yeah.
I feel no pressure on that on you. That's better.
Yeah.
We done that side.
Done.
That's it.
That's it.
Shoes, is it?
Yeah, do you want to put the coffee on?
Yeah, I'll go make coffee.
Good progress.
Do you want a biscuit or something?
Yeah, why not? Thanks. We're now in the Land Rover parts division, and here, so I've been getting more organised with my Land Rover bits, in a sense. So all the shoes are in one place at least. The question now is which one of these, or which set of these do I need? Let's see what the book says. Brakes for rear 11-inch 109 model.
Oh, these yeah.
You want a cake?
Hey?
Want a little cake?
I'll have one.
That's the apple one now.
What is it?
Apple. So I think I've worked them out. These are all this is my collection. I think one of these two sets. This one's marked Lucas. They're all the same. They're all the same, and then there's a full set of riveted ones.
Yeah.
These ones are different, but
Yeah.
they must be for a front axle. I haven't bought any of these. These were all given to me over the years. I think some of these shoes I've had for
They
about...
look new.
Yeah, they are new. Well, they're unused. I think they're quite old, but
Sometimes the shape of these,
yeah.
they're better bite when you otherwise it
I had to on the Land Rover that I'm driving. Yeah,
always shape of them.
yeah.
That's not the word I'm using, is it? Shaping.
Chamfer.
Champing. What?
Chamfer. Chamfer means take the edge off something.
Yeah,
So yeah, that's the word.
what's that, a posh word? All right, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I reckon we're back at work now, don't you?
Right. Clock on again then.
Hey,
Clock on again then.
clock on again. Yeah.
This is what we're on to next. Operation 70.40.03. So we've got shoe, shoe, spring, spring, and a cylinder up there that they attach to. So this is,
There you go, really.
yeah, so this is the manual page here, see? So we've got the long spring
Yeah,
at the top, and
Yeah,
then
and
the
the
short
short
spring
one,
down
yeah.
there, yeah.
yeah. They are awkward, I know. There's probably an easy way.
Let me read this bit.
I know. That's why I sit here. That's why I said in the first week, before you put that on,
Yeah,
get your shoes on.
yeah.
It's all coming back to me now, that's what I used to do. I can hold him at the top. If you can stretch out the bottom, that's where you've got to go.
Well, the thing is, the spring doesn't want to sit in there very well, as it is.
Hey,
I think we do have to.
take that off.
Yeah, I reckon annoyingly.
Quicker, easier.
Nothing like doing it again.
See, Grandad was right in the first place. After he put the shoes on.
It's still going to be a faff to get it on, isn't it?
Oh yeah, a bit easier with this in a bit way.
Well, yeah.
That's better. You see what we're doing now. Not be worth it taking it off.
Yeah, we get.
Let's think about it.
Nearly.
Yeah, got him.
Now, if we got
The
it.
cylinder pushes them two out, see, and that's nothing to do with it.
Have we got it the right way around?
What right way round?
Right.
Oh, but
That's the leading shoe, and that's the front of the vehicle there. So, yeah, thankfully we got them the right way around.
that's now we just started to look at that.
So now we've got to get this in somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, well, that should be easier.
Yeah.
Go on. Got him. Push him in. Now, a little bit of chisel. That's him. Beautiful job. Look at that. Perfect. That's a lesson learned in the first place. Don't put the hub on until you've got the shoes on.
Yes, I agree. So that's the correct layout. So we've got leading shoe, trailing shoe, which are subtly different. The springs here and here. All is good. Eventually. So gently back on with that. Just get that off.
Don't tighten it right up. Yeah.
Yes, that's a little tight. So
Yeah.
I always tighten it right up and then to seat it, get it all
Yeah,
flat.
Oh. That should do it. I can do it like that, sitting down, he's all right.
Yeah. Whew. That's it.
Oh, these are special nuts.
Yeah,
that they-
yeah.
What are you going to do now? Put wheels on?
No, I'm going to find the half shafts and put the... So we're not quite done because we've got to put the middle bit on yet.
Oh, I should finish it for you.
I'll have to have a look for the half shaft.
Yeah. The half shafts. One thing at a time. I'm having two or three projects going at one same different times. I like to finish it.
Yeah, here we go. Let's give them a clean. I'll put a smidge of grease on it and I'll hold it in place.
Make sure we've got them on.
That's the rear axle pretty much done. It just needs a coat of paint. I'm going to paint it the same stuff that I used on the chassis. I reckon I'll paint it here before I put it back on the floor. It's just a bit easier access. Grandad's gone in. He's supposed to have gone in for a nap, but he's actually gone in to make the dinner. There's no holding him back. One thing I do want to point out, actually, I have just discovered this. I reread the article on Expedition Land Rover about 109 brakes. I found out that the back plates, so these bits, are handed. I thought they were the same. And this is not in the manual, this is not even in the official Land Rover manual, but this was in a technical bulletin that they issued after the fact. So, and thankfully, we did fit them right, but only by luck. Yes, 50% chance, and we got there. So if I measured there, that measurement is slightly different. So this adjuster is slightly further away from here than this one, and that's how you tell the difference between the handedness. So this is actually the front and that's the rear. Like I say, we got it right, but only by chance. So I just thought I'd point that out for anyone else that's doing something similar. I had no idea until a few minutes ago that they were actually handed like that. This, by the way, is the axle breather, and is very commonly painted over, doesn't move, and then if the axle doesn't breathe, then it's going to leak oil out the ends. Today's top tip: make sure that that bit there is loose. Excellent, all done, looking good, if I do say so myself. Alright, let that dry and get it off the bench.